See, as I said, everyone has their own ways of expressing themselves as captain or operating things on the field. But see, one thing that remains constant is to win cricket games. People have different techniques, but they're still able to score runs. Doesn't mean necessarily everyone has to bat like one person. So I think me and MS have always understood our kind of operation out there in the middle. So it doesn't make anything difficult as far as I'm concerned, because when he was in charge, I've always given my point of view or my thoughts to him. Eventually he's made those decisions. Sometimes we click immediately and he makes those changes right away. Sometimes he still takes a bit of time to follow his instinct more and then maybe keep that as option B. So I think as cricketers we understand it's a pretty natural thing to have different perspectives about the game, about captaincy as well. But again, his views will be priceless for me as well. But I will have my preparation first, and then keeping his views in mind, maybe immediately changes will be made. Maybe I'll still want to follow my instinct for a bit more, see where the game goes, and then fall back to plan B from a different point of view. So it's the same thing. I mean, it's just that I'm in charge of decisions now, and he'll be giving me his views, which was the case before as well. I was giving my views, but still his decision was paramount. So I think we both understand that as professional cricketers, and it'll be pretty smooth.